You are going to love the 2017 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, front-wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front floor mats, radio data system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.